On Friday, oil prices settled in the green zone, and today the bullish trend has resumed amid escalation of tensions in the Persian Gulf. On Friday, the Iranian Guards Corps seized a British oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz. The team of the tanker is still a boat, but they have not been contracted yet. Reportedly, the United Kingdom has several options of reaching to this incident. Escalation of tensions in the region can lead to disruption of supplies through the Strait of Hormuz that account for about 30% of the global oil shipments. So far, the United States has already scaled up the military presence in the region, and now the United Kingdom is contemplating taking such a step. Today, in early deals, the Brent crude benchmark appreciated by 1% and was trading near $63.30 per barrel. In the next few weeks, the price is expected to return to $65 per barrel. On Friday, Baker Hughes released the weekly oil recount report, which showed that the number of active drilling facilities in the United States decreased by 5 to 779 units last week. Year to date, the amount of oil rigs has fallen by 79 units. The oil recount report is a leading indicator of the output volumes in the future. Therefore, a decline signals that the United States is likely to reduce production of crude oil in the second half of the year. However, this country remains the main source of supplies growth in the oil market and offsets all efforts of the OPEC Plus deal participants to cut the output. At the end of the last week, the Russian ruble declined following the currencies of other developing nations. However, decline was kept amid rising oil prices. As already mentioned, the commodity gained ground due to escalation of tensions between the United States, the United Kingdom and Iran. Today, the USD rupee has resumed the rally. At the same time, the volatility is high. The US dollar strengthened to the levels above 63 rubles on Friday after testing 12 months lows on Monday. In the first hours of the new trading week, the dollar-ruble pair declined to 62.97. The tax period in Russia has provided insignificant support to the ruble, but as the deadline for tax payment is as soon as on Thursday, the support may become stronger. Along with that, the activity on the offers market is likely to increase as the Bank of Russia is expected to cut the interest rate on Friday. The United States dollar index pulled back to the levels above 97.00. Amid the latest comments from the Fed officials, investors doubt that the interest rate will be reduced by 50 basis points, but they are pretty sure that the rate will be cut by 25 basis points. We keep close tabs on market developments. Stay tuned with us.